guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I did my hair without any hair products. So without further ado, I will just go right into it. But before we do that, just if you haven't subscribed, I would ask you if you could, because you know what, why not just try to grow the curly hair community and all that jazz. So anyway, let us continue. So it's actually really funny. A lot of my friends have asked me in the past, even recently, have I ever done my hair without hair products? Will I ever? Have I ever? Everything relating to hair product and what I use, yada yada. Interesting stuff like that. Well, anyway, I decided, yes, it's time I do a video of me not using any curly haired products. So this is natural me. All I did was put some water in it, detangle it, and then boom, I diffused it. So very quick, very easy. Very easy, no hair product. Thought it would be good to show you guys what I do without using any hair product. It's good to have a day, especially with curly hair, that you do not put any hair product in. You either let like a conditioner in to take care of dry, brittle ends, or you just wash it, put it in a braid, or do what I did today. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I know you say this all the time, but that's about it. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.